my new exciting listing in Hurricane Creek Village in Anna, Texas. This beautiful home is located on 3233 Rolling Meadow Drive, and it is spacious, just around 4,300 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and a huge front and back patio. This floor to ceiling gas fireplace. Gorgeous upgraded light fixture. Upgraded kitchen with a double oven. A huge pantry and a beautiful coffee bar butler's pantry. A huge formal living area and formal dining area, perfect for entertaining. A beautiful spiral staircase and crystal fixtures. Come on, landing game room, perfect for a pool table or hangout. A massive wired speaker built-in media room, perfect for that movie night. 4 big bedrooms with 2 full baths, all on the upstairs level. A study bedroom or flex space off of the master with its own full bathroom. Primary suites I've seen in a long time, with a bay window and gorgeous view of the big backyard. If you're a sucker for porches like I am, you're gonna love this huge covered front area, perfect for your morning coffee and a great rocking to dream of. A huge 3-car cross garage. This is Gigi's reaction to my new listing. Think about the master.
Oh, I love it. I love that seating area. And this closet is to die for.
Right? It's so big.
That's such a house.
Yeah, the linen closet.
That end down there could be just basically storage.
Oh yeah, it's huge.
It's huge.
The garage is huge.